You may find yourself working on a document and needing other people's help. Thankfully, Excel includes two powerful collaboration features: comments and co-authoring. Comments let you discuss a particular section without altering its contents, while co-authoring allows collaborators to view and edit your document in real time. For example, I was hoping a coworker would help me edit this schedule. To get them involved, first I have to share the document by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. You'll have to upload your file to OneDrive before anyone can access it, so click on the OneDrive option associated with your account. Once the file is uploaded, you're ready to share it with others. First, type in their email address. If Excel can't find their email in your contacts list, you may need to click an empty part of the menu to close the pop-up window. Next, make sure this menu gives them permission to edit the document. You can also include a brief message if you like. Once you're done, click Share, and the recipient can then access the file via OneDrive. If you want to share with more people, simply repeat the process. Once you're done, click the X to close the menu. One great way to collaborate on workbooks is the comments feature. Let's say you wanted to leave feedback or ask a question about this activity, but you didn't want to change the contents of the cell. You can do that by adding a comment. First, click on the desired cell, then select the Review tab. Click on New Comment, and start typing your message. When you're finished, click anywhere outside the box. Comments appear as a little triangle in the corner of a cell. To read a comment, just move your mouse over the cell. If you want to edit a comment, select the desired cell and click Edit Comment. Now you can change it however you like. To keep a comment open even when you aren't selecting it, click the desired cell, then select Show Hide Comment. If you want to see all of the comments simultaneously, just click Show All Comments. Click it again to hide them. Getting rid of a comment is simple. Just select the cell with a comment and click Delete. Another collaboration feature is co-authoring, which lets others view and edit your document in real time. Being able to quickly and easily edit a document as a group can help make your team's workflow more efficient. Keep in mind, however, that real-time co-authoring requires an Office 365 subscription. When you co-author a document, you can see others at work, each of them appearing as a different color. If you want to see who's using a cursor, just hover your mouse over it, and their name will pop up. I can see Tyrell's cursor moving around and editing content as he types it. When he or anyone else makes any change to the document, it's saved automatically. However, if you're not happy with some changes, you can always go into the version history and restore the document to a previous state. For example, let's say one of my co-authors didn't do such a great job naming the activities. To reverse those changes, click the clock icon next to the Share button, then double-click the version you want back. Once you determine that this is the version you want, click Restore, and it'll become the current version. These collaboration features make it easy to share ideas and feedback, and hopefully they'll make you and your coworkers more productive.